Leave it. Leave it. Good. Leave it. Yes. Zoom. That's good. Nice. Good boy. Oh, that's a good boy. Nice. Good boy. Nice. Good boy. Nice. What? No, what? Lace. Good. Leave it. Good. Yeah, man, it's real time. Watch the distance too. Oh, that's good. Nice. Nice. Boy. Nice. Told you. Nice. Nice. Despite the distraction of this random contraption to my dog, he does not break the sit, which shows obedience. That's why I look back at the camera, feeling good about myself, because that's a win. We're just gonna keep this rolling so y'all don't see this ain't no type of edits. This shit is real life, man. I'm that good. I'm gonna keep it rolling. We're gonna try to do an uphill bite. So he obviously building explosiveness as well as focus. This is good right here. So right now I'm using the voiceover because someone was riding their bicycle behind me and they was playing music, so I don't want to get a YouTube copyright strike. So that's why I'm kind of waiting around too. As you can see, he wasn't even distracted by that noise or the guy riding a bicycle behind me. The bicycle did not matter to him. It's called focus. And as you can see right here, I'm picking him up to show that he has awesome possession. He's not letting that toy go for nothing. And that's what you want. You want him to stay on the bite. He's committed. I love that about him. You can see there's nothing stopping him. And even when I tell him to out, I have to tell him a couple of times because he just be so possessed and not wanting to let it go. I like that though. But over time, I'm gonna start getting to where, look at that possession, awesome. Over time, I'm gonna start getting to where I say out, he hits it on the first try. So, but right now, I'm loving it. Right now, I'm telling him to out. He's still on it, but he will out. It's a good boy right there. Check him out. That's a good boy right there. Look, he's ready to get active again. Watch your boy.
Get it, buddy. Get it. Boy. Nice. That's a good boy, too. Woo. Come here, buddy. Come here. Good. Out. No, out. 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 Press. Boy. Out. Nice, buddy. Good boy. Good job. That's a good boy, too. Oh, yeah. That's a good boy. Yeah, that's a good boy. Good. Out. 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 No, out. Out. Good. Leave it. Good. Boy, nice. Bring it, come on, bring it.
Bring it like a boy. Ooh, nice shot.
And this is real time. Got people out here, heavy distractions, and we still making that bite happen. This man's the truth. Rex. All y'all boys who didn't want him, stay over there.